Alright, rode the bike again today. You know, it's mid-November and over there's snow. It's mostly melted where I'm at now, so we're good. Where's it at? Oh look, there's snow back there. Alright, let's check out this guy. This is my new bike alarm. Goes on this side. Put it right on the rotor. I still got some snow down here. So it tucks up nice. And put you on my knee. Really heavy compared to what I expected. So let's see how well this goes on. Get it out of the package. I'll loop this through. This is my reminder cable. Pop it on, find one of these holes. It's just got a little 6mm bolt. So find one of the holes in the rotor and just put it down. All right, locked on. Oh, there we go. I can reach that one. So I got my steering column lock on. And supposedly you've got like 10 seconds before the alarm sets. And let's see what happens if I wiggle the bike. Try to get on it, try to steal it. Nothing. Alright. It's supposed to make a really high pitch sound. There we go. And turn it off like that. Alright. So it does work. Just took me a while to get it set. Alright, I like it. Bike alarm. It's like $24 on Amazon, something like that. Awesome.